Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. Now this is an advanced exercise. What I'm going to be doing, since I have the intersection set up, but you don't need an intersection for this, what I'm going to do is, before I make each turn, I'm going to attempt to come to a complete stop and then make the turn without putting my feet down. Doesn't work all the time, but I'm going to give it a try. This is something you can practice on your own. So you're going to pull up, you're going to try to come to a stop, and then turn your motorcycle without putting your feet down. That's the goal, is to keep the feet up. So it should look just like this. Got to keep your head and eyes up. I'm going to bring it to a stop. And then take off. Snapping my head and eyes. Bring it to a stop. Turn. You don't want to stop in the middle of the turn. You got to first straighten up the motorcycle. Head and eyes up. Let it rip. I'm going to show you one other thing, and again, this is going to be for advanced riders. I'm going to do a figure 8 in 2 parking spaces wide and 2 parking spaces long. That's 18 by 36. It's kind of tight. First, if you're going to learn this, you got to have a good handle on the clutch and the throttle, head and eyes and rear brake. And it's most important to get that head around and look at the spot you want to cross over, which is the middle of the 2 parking spaces. So if you would, camera girl, walk right over there. All right, everything remains the same, except your head turns are going to be a little bit quicker. And make sure you keep power going to that rear wheel. Got to keep that power going, so maybe a little bit more pressure on the rear brake. When he's making these turns, you want to lean so that your chest is almost on his back. That puts the weight in the center of the bike. Go ahead. So far, so good. I noticed you were eyeballing the opposite cones a little bit. Don't do that. When you get into that U-turn, you keep your head turned just like this and keep it there until that turn is completed.
Okay.
Once you go through this, go through the cone weave with her on it, the first exercise.
Okay. Now, I'm looking at the green here.
Right.
And then is that green over there? Or?
Yeah. As soon as you complete that U-turn, you're already looking in the next one, right?
Okay.
But you got to wait till the turn is completed and then snap your head to find the next one.
Okay.
Now I'm going to have him go through exercise number 1 with his wife on the back. He did so well there. He shouldn't have any problem here. Very good. Now we'll try the offset cone weave. I've got the gates narrowed down to 6 feet. This might be the most difficult one with 2 people on the bike because you got to really get that head around. So far, so good. He's got the hang of it. By the way, that bike is a Heritage, and he disguised it as an electric line. It's got an aftermarket fairing, the Harley bags from the Heritage, from the Road King. Excellent. I got no complaints. All right, he's going to do a 2-up now, making all right-hand U-turns. That's what Donna's leading him through. All the rider has to do is look at Donna or myself, who's ever leading them. If they constantly keep their head and eyes on that person, it makes it easier because they've got a place, a spot to look at. Where you are. So looking at a rider 10 or 20 feet in front of you is good. You follow them through an exercise.